Alright, hi, my name is Mark. Here's my aquaponic system. This is my first lettuce harvest. This is, I think, exactly 30 days old from seed. And my wife and I are going to have a salad. So, snip, snip. I'm just going to cut one piece and then let's see what it tastes like. I'm not gonna lie, it tastes awesome. It's like fluffier. Oh, blurry again. I don't know, light. There we go. Anyway, it's good lettuce. Tastes kind of sweet too. Do another one. I'm gonna cut all the pieces off there. Look at this. Look at how it's crazy. How much lettuce is in here. Well, anyway, I'm excited. We're gonna have our first salad. I'm not gonna pull the plants up. I'm just gonna cut off what I need and eat it and keep going like that until I knock down these plants. I'm gonna trim off the stuff that's all hanging off the sides first. It's probably not getting the light, but I can't do it and hold the camera at the same time, so that's it. My first aquaponic harvest. I'm kind of really excited. So, all right, bye.